enterprises can virtualize applications and desktops and still allow their employees to use any device that they want. And we now have, we now just introduced the Playbook. So
very cool.
I'll show you guys once we.
So tell us a bit about this. This is an environment that allows you to connect to a desktop as well as your kind of virtual application environment.
Correct.
Back at the enterprise.
Correct. So for example, this I'm connecting back to Dallas, Texas. This is where all my applications, my desktops are running. And it's completely unknown to the user, actually, where everything's running.
Mm-hmm.
What we're trying to get it to is a native experience. So when you sit on your Playbook, you'd actually feel like you're on your Playbook, even though you're in a Windows environment. But this is a generation 1, so it's going to take us a little while.
This is great. How are we doing getting this thing hooked up? This is pretty spectacular to see. So in terms of the technology that you've used to bring this application to Playbook, I understand you're using Air for the UI, but a pile of native code that you already had and you brought across to the platform. So tell us a bit about how that experience went.
Right. So the entire front end is run through Adobe Air.
Yep.
That's everything that you see right here, including our task switcher. So one of the great things we brought to the Playbook is the ability to multitask. So we can run multiple native sessions within one application. So I'm actually able to switch back and forth between my applications. I can even do my PowerPoint and go from slide to slide, so I can just hook it up. And
this is all off the virtual application environment.
Yep.
Cool.
Let me get back.
I mean, that CAD sample you're showing, the performance is incredible. So this is all going out completely secure back to the enterprise.
Correct, completely secure from this device all the way back through the enterprise. So here's my actual desktop. You can see that I don't have many files out here, but I have my PowerPoint presentation that I've been working on while I've been sitting in the back here. And I also brought some friends with me. So this is actually GoToMeeting, if you know the product line that we have. So
okay.
I have Jimmy in the back, he's waving at you. And Steve is in Fort Lauderdale, our other headquarters there. So I can always connect up and talk with them remotely as well.
Very cool. So it's like a live video stream. That's what
it is a live video stream.
Yeah, this is incredible.
So back to how we built it. So we have Adobe Air as the front end. It manages all of the interface that you saw there, as well as the login, which you didn't see. It also manages the task switching. The back end, we ported our Linux drivers from our Linux client into QNX. We had to do just a little bit of tweaking, not too much, and we've come up live.
This is incredible. So great example of quickly taking a really innovative idea and getting it up on the platform. Really appreciate you coming out and showing this for us.
No problem. Thank you.
Take care.